everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today I have a very special guest with me. It's my friend
Jax.
Jax is here and we're going to make
Milo Balls.
Milo Balls are very special to us because we get together every single year and we make Milo Balls for Jax's
Mum's fizzy team.
And a fizzy team is a dancing team and they go in a big competition at the end of the year and we make a whole big batch of Milo Balls for about 30 ladies so that they can all have wonderful fun.
And sometimes they've even won a trophy.
That's so amazing. The power of Milo Balls. So we have so much fun making these and we hope we can share it with you because it's only 4 ingredients and it's super easy. So let's get cooking.
Okay, so first we start by putting all these in.
Biscuits.
The biscuits. Also, by the way, always wash your hands first. I did, which is great. Okay, there we go.
And then clip it into place. Good?
Very dusty.
Okay.
Should be good. Very good.
All right, now we're going to put in
the condensed milk that I really, really love. Actually, no, not that. No, not that. This, yeah. It's very good.
All right, you pour it in then.
3, 2, 1. Satisfaction.
So good.
You guys should definitely have a taste. It's good. 3, 2, 1, go! Now it's time to pour in the Milo and the coconut. Okay, finished.
Well done. Okay, now
roll it into a ball. Take a tablespoon of the mixture, roll it between your hands, then roll it into the coconut. It's quite fun.
You want to do the last one?
Yeah. That's it. Or, for a bit of crunch and fanciness, you can roll it in some hundreds and thousands. Taste test time!
So let's dig in, Jax.
Okay, let's see.
Which one are you going to go for?
I'll go for a small
a small one.
Okay, let's see how
All
it
right,
tastes.
I'm going to go for this one.
3, 2, 1.
How does just 4 ingredients taste so good?
How?
And I reckon that's a bit of a competition winner.
Winner, Milo Ball dinner.
You are so funny. So good. You've got to give it a go, everybody.
Give it a go.
And I hope you enjoy.